guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back from my vacation. I swear that 30 days was just like way too long. So anyways, okay. Today I'm going to be reviewing these Rapunzel's Halo hair extensions. I'm so excited. This is the very first time that I have used a Halo hair extension. I've used clip-ins and I've used, I think, the tape-in hair extensions. And I didn't love those, so I wanted to give the Halo hair extension a try. And I ordered these from Australia, I believe. I found this really cute website called Rapunzel's Halo hair extensions, obviously. So yeah, that's the website. I'll link everything down in the description box below as I'm, you know, showing you guys the hair extensions and giving you guys a demo and telling you guys what I think about them. So yeah, anyways, so let me tell you guys about the Halo hair extensions and why I love them so much. First of all, let's just show you guys how long they are. I got the 22 inch. My hair is 20 inches or 18 inches or something like that. I got a haircut, so that's my natural hair, and then my Halo hair extension is quite a bit longer, but I love it. I may get it trimmed a little bit, but today it's fresh out of the box, and I'm definitely gonna have to put a little bit of purple shampoo in it to match my hair a little bit more. My hair is a little bit more on like the silvery side, and this one is not as ashy as my hair color. So yeah, that's the only thing I'm gonna probably have to do besides cutting. I don't know. I'm sorry, I keep on touching them because I feel so different. So I have used clip-in hair extensions. I've used, what are they called? The tape-in hair extensions. And my hair is so dang thin that they just rip my hair out. I have the thinnest hair in the entire world. And I thought, you know, let's give the Halo hair extension a try. And I really was doubting it because I was thinking, oh, it's gonna be so thin. It's gonna be like a little tiny strand of hair, and it's just gonna look stupid. I'm gonna look like I have a rat tail or something. But girl, let me hurry and fluff this up back there and show ya. No rat tail here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm loving the length and how thick it is. Seriously, it's amazing. Okay, so questions. What is a Halo hair extension? Let me answer your question. Halo hair extension is just like a little tiny rubber band that holds a huge chunk of hair. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like without being attached to my head. And then I'm gonna put it in and show you guys how to put it in and why I love it so much. First of all, oh, so easy to take out. It might freak you out because you're gonna think, oh my gosh, it's being only held by this little tiny strand. No, this thing holds so good. You can shake your head around. It's very secure and it's just overall amazing. So it's like this, it's 100% human hair, and you can curl it, you can dye it, you can do anything to it. It feels so good and soft. I curled it previously just so it would look good for the video, but yeah, you can straighten it, you can wash it. It's got a cute little pad on the inside so it can sit softly on your head. And it comes with like little clamps that goes with it, and it comes with the strand. Also, when you purchase it, it also comes with extra little beads and an extra one of these strings in case you lose it. It also comes with this little, I don't know what you would call it, a little hanger to hang it on when you're not using it so it doesn't get tangled up. And most of all, it comes with the comb that is going to be coming in handy in just a second when I show you guys how to apply it and how easy it is to apply. I feel like I've been talking for so long, but I've seriously been obsessed with this thing since I got it. So yeah. Okay, let me show you guys how to apply it. Like I said, the color's not exact. It's pretty dang close, but I have to definitely apply some purple shampoo. And I think, and I love how the band is clear and you can hardly even see it just like in the little crown area of your head. I love that rather than having clip-in hair extensions where you can see every little clip that's in your hair and it looks really bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this all around like that, and just put it on like a headband and set it up above your ears. Looks funny, just like that. Yeah, see, it's a little bit more yellow, which is fine because I can just put my purple shampoo. Where the little comb comes in handy, you just go along and plop it all out. Freaking easy. Just go along and kind of just comb it. And see, you can kind of see the band up here, but honestly, it's not as bad as clip-in hair extensions. And you can shake your head, you can put your hair in a ponytail. Not a high ponytail, you can put it in a low pony. What else can you do with it? You can do half up, half down. You can do a lot of things with it. And it's just so comfortable. You don't feel like you have like all these clips in your head. It's not itchy. You really just feel so comfy. I'll show you in a minute. I'll bounce around, but I'm gonna show you. All right, look how quick and easy that was. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. Like I said, I'm probably gonna have to get a little bit of a trim. It's really, really long, but other than that, I'm obsessed with it. But you can like shake your head around. It's not gonna just like come out, but it feels really comfy. You can like braid it, you can do whatever you want with it. I am very pleased with it and I'm so excited. I can't stop touching it. So yeah, if you guys want to check out Rapunzel's Halo hair extensions, I will link them down in the description box below. Like I said, 100% human hair. Amazing. I cannot stress enough for thin hair people. Girl, this thing will change your freaking life. I'm telling you right now, it's changed mine. The second I opened it up in the mail, I was just like, yes, okay, I'm ready for this because I have such thin hair. This has just added so much to my hair, seriously, in my life. I am so happy. It also comes with this awesome like little hanger bag that you can put it inside of when you're not using them, just so they can stay away from the real world and they can be protected. So yeah, it comes with a lot of stuff and you can maintain and keep them really good. You can wash them. It suggests to wash them like 3 times a week. They're 100% human hair. You can wash them, you can dye them, you can cut them, you can curl them, you can do anything with them pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!